I'm Matt Maxwell. I own Maxwell Mechanical. We're a full-service HVAC design-build contractor. So what that means is we can go into a project, a new building, an existing building, and we can engineer a heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system for it, do all the fabrication here in-house, create all the permit drawings, install it, and then maintain it once it's installed. I came up with some systems that I did with a large casino property, well, several properties actually in Nevada, where I take fresh air and put it in the casino, I take the cigarette air out, and I recover quite a bit of energy in that process. You know, they had me do all 6 of their properties, and at the end of it, that casino got an award from the American Lung Association for having the cleanest casino air around. When I started my relationship with Sierra Pacific Federal Credit Union, I was looking for an institution that would support me, that would be there when I needed them, people I could depend on, that would go the extra mile for me. Gym hunting was my first experience on this level, and it was great. I can't say enough good things about him. I got the feeling the whole time, and this proved to be correct later, that he had confidence in me, and he knew I could succeed at this. He always had my back. So I've kind of been looking around for a couple years now for a bigger place, and so once again I called Gym Hunting and said, hey, is there anything you guys can do for me? I'm gonna need a loan to expand my business and buy a building. Once again, no problem, Matt. I'm gonna come over there with my commercial loan representative, and we're gonna look at your property and talk to you on site and then take you to lunch. So there was no roadblocks, no. You know, he made me feel really comfortable in that process. The support is just fantastic as usual. They make you feel at home. They genuinely want you to succeed when you do business with them, and you feel it. It's personalized phone calls, it's personal emails, they show up at your business if you want them to. I just can't say enough about the level of support. So anybody who's going to start a business would be crazy not to use Sierra Pacific Federal Credit Union.